In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Salesforce licenses. Whether you're a Salesforce administrator or just someone trying to keep track of your company's licenses, understanding how to check them is crucial. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step so you can feel confident managing your Salesforce environment. First, you'll want to navigate to the Salesforce homepage. This is your starting point for accessing the platform's various settings and configurations. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see the settings icon there. It looks like a gear, and clicking on it will open up a menu with various setup options. In the drop-down menu, you'll find the option labeled Open Advanced Setup. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a more comprehensive setup page where you can access a wider range of configuration settings for your Salesforce instance. Once you've arrived in the Advanced Setup area, there's a search bar prominently displayed. Here, you'll want to type company information into the search bar. Typing this in will narrow down the options so that you can quickly find what you're looking for without sifting through unnecessary menus. After typing in company information, look in the search results and click on the company information link. This page is pivotal because it contains detailed information about your organization's Salesforce account, including your license data. Now that you're on the company information page, you should see a section labeled Permission Set Licenses. Clicking on this link will reveal a list of all the permission set licenses available for your organization. It provides a high-level view of how many licenses are available and how many are currently being used. This is important for managing resources efficiently. Adjacent to permission set licenses, you'll find another section for user licenses. Click on that link to access detailed information about the various user licenses your organization holds. This page is particularly useful as it provides a breakdown of each license type and the number of allocated and remaining licenses. It is instrumental in ensuring you maximize the utility of each license and allocate them wisely among your team members. To wrap up, checking your Salesforce licenses is a straightforward process that involves a few navigational steps, but understanding how to access and interpret this information is key to managing your organization's Salesforce environment effectively. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to make informed decisions about your licensing needs. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.